How to fix Spotify music not playing problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Spotify's songs not playing. So let us get started. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your app store and make sure that your Spotify is up to date to its latest version. So simply search for your Spotify in your app store or Google Play Store and check for updates. If you find an update available, tap on update so that with the new update, your new bugs and your different issues will get fixed. After you've done that and your Spotify is to its latest version, you can open it up. After you open it up, tap on your profile that is on the top left and then tap on settings and privacy. After you tap on that, you will see different options. Head over to storage. Now right there you will see clear cache option. Simply tap on clear cache and then you can free up storage and your different issues will also get fixed. And after doing that, your problem should get fixed. You can check whether your Spotify music or songs are still playing or not, and it should be playing all right. And that is how you fix the issue, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.